Hi, Monali, can you tell us recently you went for a project? You went to Mumbai, right?
Pune, yeah.
Pune, yeah. So could you please tell us where did you go and what was the project all about?
Okay, so actually I went to IIT Kharagpur from my school at first. There was the regional level of Rashtriya Stariya Bal Vaigyanik Pradarshini in which I got selected, and then I went for national level to Pune. There was a KV in Pune where we all were taken from this regional level Kolkata region, and there we had competition about some. It was a kind of science exhibition. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Monali, congratulations for your success. Like you have reached that level to a national level. So I would ask about how is your overall experience and opinion about everything?
Frankly, like I went for this kind of competition last time also, but this time my experience was way better than the last time. Like the teachers were really nice, our guide teachers were really nice, the school was truly nice, and they also like arranged a kind of DRDO exhibition. Like DRDO means it is a kind of, we all know that India has a different system in which they make the weapons and all the robots and all. So they arranged a kind of exhibition for that also, where we got to know about weapons, rockets, then robots that our government used for the welfare of citizens. That was really nice.
Okay, so did you go there alone?
No, not really alone. My parents were not there with me, but the other students of Kolkata region who got selected in the region level, they went with me, and also the guide teachers. There were three guide teachers with us.
So can you tell me what is the project about?
Actually, I can't reveal it completely, but it is all about a kind of mine guard. Mine is where iron mine, coal mine, that mine, where there is a risk of safety of the miners who go inside. So something related to that, a kind of card kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay, and I would like to ask you about your journey. Like, how was it? Did the government pay everything? And like,
Yeah, actually, the funds that come for all of us, that is completely paid by the government, and we went there by train, Azad Hind Express, and that was a really nice experience for all of us.
okay, and to some extent, when you reached there, were you feeling quite nervous after seeing so many people?
Actually, talking about the nervousness is something that boosts, helps in boosting your confidence, according to me, because until and unless you feel nervousness in yourself, you cannot motivate yourself to do something better. So definitely nervousness was there with me, but I overcome that, and many friends were there with me, and I knew that my project is quite nice and capable. That's why only I got selected, and yeah, that's it.
Okay, so how many days did you stay there?
Like if I talk about the total day by including the journey and all, it took me around 8 to 9 days. Yeah.
Do you visit any places there?
No, we are not supposed to visit any place there. But we were provided with many things. Like they also arranged a telescope so that we can see Jupiter, and that was really nice. Like, really
So
nice.
how was the people's behavior there?
See, they were the students who came. They were from different region, different states. So everyone was quite curious to know about others, to elevate their knowledge about different people. So everyone was really nice. Their behavior was truly good. Yeah.
Okay, so there were a lot of students from all over the country, right?
Yeah.
So they also had their project. So, like, according to you, did you to some extent think that they were better than you?
See, there is not. According to my conscience, it is that everything has a better version of it, but my project was good for me in different level, but others project was in different level. No, none of the projects were similar, so different projects were like differently managed, differently made. most of the projects were prototype of the real project. So, and I didn't feel like it is better than me because I didn't compare, because there is no place of comparison because everyone has different projects.